inside the quiet center of a dream. The curved with joy, the clear wall, standing still while the seasons wander, an embrace of stone above the gentle flow, where only drifting leaves and shadows grow. The flute is a gentle breeze upon the arch, without a rhythm and without a march, soaring so high, so delicate and free, a bridge between the quiet world. I stand upon the warm and ancient crest, and let my rushing worries come to rest. Below, the crystal current slips away, taking the heavy burdens of the day. There are no heavy wheels or hurried feet, just the murmur where the petals meet. The surface glimmers in the morning light, washing the edges of the fading night.